So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find senior living rentals here on Redfin. So once you open up Redfin, I want you to select the rent tab, select your city, and once that is done, press on search. Once you're on the next page here, I want you to go to the top and press on filters, and then where it says for rent, scroll down to where it says other, and where it says senior living, make sure that button is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different rentals right here that are considered to be senior living facilities or senior living only in this example. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find senior living rentals here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.